ॐ यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ज्ञानम is of how many types? प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञानम
Savikalpakam and
Two
Nirvikalpakam.
types.
means two types. Answer is two types. What are they? Savikalpakam, Nirvikalpakam. What is Savikalpakam?
Vaishishtiya Avagahi Jnanam.
Vaishishthya Avagahi Jnanam is Savikalpakam. Vaishishtyam means what?
Visheshana Vishya
Visheshya Sambandha. Visheshana Visheshya Sambandha. Sambandham Avagahi Jnanam means Avagahanam means Vishayikaranam. So that Jnanam which will have Visheshana Visheshya Sambandha as its Vishaya is called Vaishishthya Avagahi Jnanam. Okay. Then the Drashtanta was given Ghatam Aham Janami. Ghatam Aham Janami. In this Jnanam, how Visheshana and Vishesha will be there. So understand, we didn't cover this topic, but I read in some other place. Ahankara is Vishesha and Ghata Jnanam is Visheshana. So Ghatam Aham Janami. So Aham Ghata Jnanavan. So Ghata Jnanavan Aham, if you put it this way, Ghata Jnanavan Aham. Aham is Vishesha. Ghata Jnanam is Visheshana. Ghata Jnanavan Aham, Pata Jnanavan Aham. Aham will be Visheshya. Ghata Jnana will become Visheshana. Tayoho Sambandha. This is the Sansarga. Ghata Jnana and Ahankara Sambandha is the Sansarga. Then in Ghata Jnanam, Jnanam is Visheshya and Ghata is Visheshana. Between them also there is a Sambandha, Visheshana, Visheshya Sambandha. This is also Sansarga Jnanam or Savikalpaka Jnanam. And in Ghata, Ghatatva is Visheshana and Ghata is Visheshya and they will have Sambandha. So in this way, Ghata Jnanavan Aham is Savikalpaka Jnanam. Okay. Nirvikalpaka Jnanam. In this, what is the Drishtanta?
Soyam Devadattaha.
Soyam Devadattaha. And Tattvamasi is the Vaidika Drishtanta. So in this Vakya, there is a discussion now. This is what we were seeing on Page number 45. In Tika. So evam, there is a pratika evam. That evam pratika said, तत्वमसि इत्यादि वाक्यजन्य ज्ञानस्यापि प्रत्यक्षत्वम. So Purvapakshi had asked a question here. If you see the question on previous page, that this is Shabda Jnanam, this is not Pratyaksha Jnanam. So Siddhanti said no. This we can take as Pratyaksha Jnanam. Why? So there is some principle or some idea in this. What is that? When the Jnanam takes place of Ghata, in that Jnanam, Desha and Kala Jnanam also takes place. And therefore, somebody may think that Desha Kala Jnanam is also a Tatparya Jnanam. Means in communicating that Desha Kala also, there could be Tatparya. So in Savikalpaka Jnanam, Desha Kala may be Tatparya. When it is said, Ghata Jnanavan Aham, so Ayam Ghata Jnanavan Aham Adhuna Atra, all this can be there, some Desha Kala. In Nirvikalpaka Jnanam, if you say it arises from Pratyaksha, there also Desha Kala Jnanam will come. But if Shabda Jnanam is given, then in Shabda Jnanam, like Soyam Devadatta or Tattvamasi, Taddesha Tatkala, Etaddesha Etatkala, they are eliminated. Only Tatparya Vishayaka Jnanam takes place. So the objective is to communicate only Tatparya Vishayaka Jnanam, where even Deshakala are not there. That's why he gave the example of Soyam Devadatta. So Taddesha Tatkala, Etaddesha Etatkala, they are not the Tatparya. Their Bhagatyaga will happen. Other drashtantas were given, Prakrishta Prakashas Chandraha, Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma. So this was said, Desha Kala Upalakshita Devadatta Lakshana Abheda Vishaye Soyam Devadatta Ityadi, this we saw. Now, Tattvamasi Ityadi Vakyajanya Jnanasyapi Sannikrishtatvam Pada Lakshya Vishayataya Ukta Vakyajanya Antakarana Vritti Abhipagamena Lakshya Chaitanyasya Vritti Chaitanyasya Abhedena Pratyakshatvam Ityartha. In Tattvamasi, in this Vakyajanya Jnanam, Tattvamasyadi Vakyajanya Jnanasyapi Sannikrishta Tattvam Pada Lakshya Vishayataya. So there, what is indicated is Chaitanya. That Chaitanya is Sannikrishta. It has Sannikrishta Tattvam. And it is the Lakshyartha of Tattvamasi Mahavakya. Pada Lakshya Vishayataya Ukta उक्तवाक्यजन्य अंतःकरणवृत्ति अभ्युपगमेन. This Mahavakyajanya Antakarana Vritti will take place. That Antakarana Vritti, when it is accepted, that Vritti Tasya Lakshya Chaitanya Sya Vritti Avachinna Chaitanya Sya Abhedena. So, Pramana Vritti and Prameya. Pramana Chaitanya, Prameya Chaitanya, Avacheda, they will become Avachinna Chaitanya one. वृत्ति अवच्छिन्न चैतन्यस्य अभेदेन प्रत्यक्षत्वम इत्यर्थः. So when these pramana avachinna chaitanya and prameya avachinna chaitanya become one, this is called pratyakshatva. See 1 number tippani. Ayam bhavah तत्त्वमसि इति एवं शब्द श्रवणे सर्वज्ञत्व किंचिज्ञ. There is some correction here. सर्वज्ञत्व किंचिज्ञत्व कर्तृत्व अकर्तृत्वादि विशिष्ट अभेद विषयम ज्ञानम न जायते. सो किंचित ज्ञत्व, नॉट ज्ञात्वा, ज्ञत्व एंड नॉट अकर्तृत्व, कर्तृत्व देन अकर्तृत्व. सो किंचित ज्ञत्व कर्तृत्व अकर्तृत्वादि विशिष्ट अभेद विषयम ज्ञानम न जायते. सर्वज्ञत्व अकर्तृत्व विशिष्ट and किंचिज्ञत्व कर्तृत्व विशिष्ट, their abheda is never possible. Then किंतु तत्त्वमिति पदद्वय लक्ष्य स्वरूप विषयम एव जायते. विषय स्वरूपम स्वरूप विषयम एव ज्ञानम जायते. So these two pada, tatpada and tvam pada, their lakshya, lakshyartha swarupa vishayam jnanam jayate. In that there is abheda. Why only this? Why not the vishishta jnanam? Kartrutva akartrutvadi viruddha dharma vator aikya ayogat. Because kartrutva akartrutva, they are viruddha dharma. Viruddha dharma vatoho, viruddha dharmavan are these two. Tatpada tvam-pada. Their aikya is not possible. Tattvam padalakshyamcha kevalam chaitanyam sannikrishtam eva iti ukta vakyajanya antakarana vritti abhyupagame na kinchit bhadakam. Tattvam, sannikrishta tattvam is given. Sannikrishta tattvam padalakshyamcha kevalam chaitanyam sannikrishtam eva ukta vakyajanya antakarana vritti abhyupagame. So this Lakshya Chaitanya is Sannikrishtam, and therefore Ukta Vakyajanya Antakarana Vritti, when it takes place, then there is no Badhaka. You can say it is Pratyaksham. Whatever is the Lakshana of Pratyaksha Jnanam will all fit in this Tattvamasi. This is Siddhanti's point. Therefore he says Tattvamasi is Pratyaksham. And he also says this is Pratyaksham because through Shabda Jnanam of such type, Nirvikalpakam, Deshakala also are not Tatparya. Therefore he calls it Nirvikalpaka Pratyaksham. तथा च लक्ष्य चैतन्यस्य वृत्ति अवच्छिन्न चैतन्यस्य च एकदेश स्थित उपाधि द्वय अवच्छिन्नत्वात् अभेदे सति प्रत्यक्षत्वं सुस्थम एव. Pratyakshत्वम is सुस्थम. It is well set. So lakshya chaitanyasya means prameya chaitanya and vritti avachina chaitanyasya cha ekadesha sthita. Ekadesha means they both are within only. Antakarana vritti and chaitanya, lakshya chaitanya, pratyagatma, they are both are within antakarana itself. Therefore, ekadesha sthita they are, and therefore pratyakshatvam sustham. Further in tika, tatra means tasmin jnane. In Moolam it is given tatra pramatureva vishayataya tad ubhaya abhedasya sattvat. Pramatuhu eva vishayataya. Ubhaya abheda. The abheda between two is possible because tatpada and tvampada both are the vishaya of pramata. Pramatuhu eva vishayataya. Tika pramatrupadena lakshyam grahyam tvampada lakshyat tatpada lakshyasya abhinnatvat eva muktam. By pramatrupada, second number tippani says pramatuhu eva vishayataya. What was said in that lakshyam grahyam tvampada lakshyat tatpada lakshasya abhinnatvat. Tvampada lakshyat tatpada lakshasya abhinnatvam. Both of them are one. Pramatuhu vishayataya means pramata will be able to recognize the Atma Chaitanya and which is the Tvampada Lakshyartha and the Tatpada Lakshyartha Brahma is not different from Atma in this way. Pramata will recognize both. Then a question was raised that this can be possible in case of Laukika Vakya. But in case of Vaidika Vakya, Vijñātāram arekena vijaniyat, this is not possible. Why? Because the Shruti says, how can you know that? Vijñāta is this. See here. Vijñātehe Vijñātāram. Vijñāti is Vijñāta. Vijñātāram arekena vijana. How will you know this Chaitanya? So this does not become Vishaya. This is Aprameya. Nanu Tattvam, third number tippani. Nanu Tattvam pada lakshasya brahmanaha shastrajanya jnana vishayatve Vijñātāram arekena vijaniyat ityadi shrutinam ka gatir ityashankya samadhatte. Tattvam pada lakshasya brahmanaha. Brahma which is Tattvam pada lakshyartha. Tattvam pada lakshasya brahmanaha shastrajanya jnana avishayatve, not jnana vishayatve, jnana vishayatve. Or no, jnana vishayatve. Okay, just leave it as is. Shastrajanya jnana vishayatve. If you say, Purva Pakshi says, asking Siddhanti, if you say Brahma is Shastrajanya jnana vishaya, then Vijñātāram arekena vijaniyat ityadi shrutinam ka gatihi. Then what will happen to such Shruti which says Vijñātāram arekena vijaniyat? How can you know this Vijñāta? Iti ashankya samadhatte. Shrutistu phalavyapyatva nirakarana para iti. What Shruti is doing is doing phala vyapti nirakaranam. Phala vyapyatva nirakaranam eva param. Between phala and vyapyatva, there is shashti samasa. Phalasya vyapyatva. Again, next is shashti, tasya nirakaranam. Phala vyapyatva nirakaranam. Phala vyapyatva nirakarana para ya shruti. So between phala vyapyatva nirakarana and para कर्मधारय. और बहुव्रीहि फल व्याप्यत्व निराकरणम परम यस्याः श्रुतेः सा श्रुतिः फल व्याप्यत्व निराकरण परा इति. So that Shruti says there is no phala vyapti. Vijñātāram arekkena vijāniyāt means there is no phala vyapti. Tatha cha uktam. Now these two lines are given. They are two different shlokas. That's not one shloka from Panchadashi Trupti Deepa. Phala vyapyatvamevasya shastrakridbhir nivaritam. And Brahmanya Jnana Nashaya Vritti Vyapti Rapekshita. I think it is a different shloka only.
Different focus was in 1992.
1992. Okay. So Phala Vyapyatvamevasya Shastrakridbhir Nivaritam. Asya Phala Vyapyatvam Shastrakridbhihi Nivaritam. By Shastra Acharyas, Phala Vyapyatvam Nivaritam. But Brahmani Ajnana Nashaya, for Ajnana Nasha, Vritti Vyapti is Apekshita. That is explained in Tippani further. Tippanikar has taken a lot of effort to explain all these points. Indriya Sannikarsha Dwara. I'm assuming so far everything is okay, right? Everybody is getting it?
Yes, yes, Swamiji.
Okay.
Yes, Swamiji.
Indriya Sannikarsha Dwara Antakarnasya घाटादि आकार वृत्तौ सत्याम तत्र चैतन्यम प्रतिबिंबते तच्च चैतन्यम फलम इति अभिधीयते. इंद्रिय सन्निकर्ष द्वारा अंतःकरणस्य घटादि आकार वृत्तौ सत्याम. When there is इंद्रिय सन्निकर्ष, अंतःकरणस्य घटादि आकार वृत्ति will take place. वृत्तौ सत्याम तत्र चैतन्यम प्रतिबिंबते. चैतन्य प्रतिबिंब takes place. This chaitanya is called phalam. Tat chaitanyam phalam iti avidhiyate. So then phala vyapti means this pratibimbita chaitanya vyapti. And vritti vyapti means vritti vyapti. Antakarana vritti vyapti. Chaitanya pratibimba yuta sa vritti vishayam vyapnoti. फल रूप चैतन्यस्यापि व्याप्तिर जाता. चैतन्य प्रतिबिंब युता वृत्ति ही. युता यु धातु निष्ठा प्रत्यय युता. युज धातु निष्ठा प्रत्यय will become युक्ता. So चैतन्य प्रतिबिंब युत वृत्ति विषयम व्याप्नोति, परवेट्स दी विषय. फल रूप चैतन्यस्यापि व्याप्तिर जाता. So फल रूप चैतन्य also will pervade the विषय. तथा च घटादीनां जड़ानां फल व्याप्यत्वम. So घटादि which are jada, they will have फल व्याप्यत्वम. Okay, why not in Brahma? तच्च ब्रह्मणि न संभवति जड़त्व आपत्तेः. In Brahma, this is not possible because there is jadatva. No, because there is jadatva apatti, means Brahma will become jada if it also needs phalavyapti. तत्वमस्यादि वाक्य श्रवण समानंतर जायमानया वृत्त्या ब्रह्मणो व्याप्यत्वे न कापि हानि. तत्वमस्यादि वाक्य श्रवण समानंतर जायमानया वृत्त्या. So somebody is asking if phala vyapti is a problem, is vritti vyapti for Brahma, isn't that a problem? He says no. Tattvamasya vakya shravana samanantara. Imagine the moment somebody hears Tattvamasi and vritti takes place. Samanantara jayamana immediately. Vrittya Brahmano vyapyatve. Brahma is vyapta by that. So Brahma is not like in Durdesha, like Ghata, and then Vritti will go there. Bahirdesha, Gamanam, etc. is not there. Brahma is me, myself. This I will understand. The moment I understand, all other limitations will disappear. Jagat Satyatva Buddhi will go away. So Brahmano Vrittya Brahmano Vyapyatve na kapi hani. There is no problem. Hani. Why? Because vritti vyapti is required. Pratyuta tad vishaya ajnana nivrittim vina bhana sambhavat. Tad vishaya ajnana nivrittim vina. Tad vishaya ka ajnana nivritti, if it doesn't take place, then bhanam is not possible. Bhana asambhavat. Therefore, ajnana nashartham vrittihi svikarya eva. Therefore, for ajnana nasha, vritti vyapti, brahmakar vritti is required. There is no doubt. Iti karika abhipraya. Iti karika abhipraya. So karika means not that this is any, maybe this is some karika which we don't know, that is possible. But iti karika abhipraya means this is the abhipraya of this type, iti karika. Like how we say akarika, iti akarika, ang upasarga if you put, of this nature is the abhipraya. The way they have given, like two shlokas, means first line and second line, it could be there somewhere which we don't know. Otherwise, just understand they are Panchadashi shlokas. Okay. Tika. Shrutistu phalavyapyatva nishedha para. Shruti does phalavyapti nishedha. Sopadhika Brahma will become Brahmakar Vritti's Vishaya through Tattvamasi Mahavakya. Which Prasthana says this?
Bhamati.
Bhamati. According to Bhamati, Tattvamasi Mahavakya will give only Sopadhika Brahma Jnana. And according to Vivarana, Tattvamasi Mahavakya will give Nirupadhika Brahma Jnana. Nanu Soyam Devadatta इत्यादि वाक्यजन्यम ज्ञानम संसर्ग अवगाही वाक्यजन्य ज्ञानत्वात् गामानय इति वाक्यजन्य ज्ञानवत्. Soyam Devadatta, Purvapakshi is now having a doubt. This is Anumanam. Soyam Devadatta ityadi vakyajanyam jnanam is Sansarga Avagahi. Sansarga Avagahi means
Savikalpa.
Savikalpakam Jnanam. Up to Sansarga Avagahi is Sadhya. Vakyajanya Jnanatvat. This is Hetu. Gamanaya iti Vakyajanya Jnanavat. Drishtanta. What is Vyapya? In Vyapti, what is Vyapya here?
Vakyajanya Jnanatvam.
Vakyajanya Jnanatvam is Vyapya. What is Vyapaka?
Samsarga Avagahi.
Sansarga Avagahi means Savikalpakam. So Purvapakshis Vyapti is what? Yatra yatra
Vakyajanya Jnanam Tatra Tatra Samsarga Avagahi.
yatra yatra Vakyajanya Jnanatvam tatra tatra Sansarga Avagahitvam. So this much part in any Anumanam, what is Sadhya, what is Hetu, from Hetu will be Vyapya, Sadhya will be Vyapaka, and Vyapya Vyapaka, Jnanam Vyapti. This much we should know. This will come through Abhyasa, like how we are doing this Abhyasa. Then, I hope everybody understood this, right? This much. Vyapya, Vyapaka, Vyapti. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Swamiji.
Now in Drishtanta, we have to see Hetu and Sadhya. Gam Anaya. So Gam, first of all, Gam Anaya. In this Vakya, is it Sansarga Avagahi or not? And is it Vakyajanya? So Gam Anaya is a Vakya. Gam Anaya Jnanam will be Vakyajanya Jnanam. So Vakyajanya Jnanatvam is there. Hetu is there in Drishtanta. Now Sadhya has to be there in Drishtanta. Gam Anaya, this Vakya, is it Sansarga Avagahi or not?
Yes, Swamiji.
Is Sansarga between what and what?
Ram and Anaya.
Between Gam and Anaya means Tvam. Tvam Gam Anaya. Like how when it is said, Ghatam Aham Janami, means Ghata Jnanavan Aham. So here, that was Savikalpaka Jnanam. In here also there is some Visheshana and Visheshya. Anayana Kriya, if you take that as Visheshya, performed by Aham, because Tvam Gam Anaya, and Gam will become Visheshanam, their Sansarga. So it is Sansarga Avagahi Jnana. So in Drishtanta, Sadhya is also there. And Soyam Devadatta is Vakyajanya Jnanam, and therefore it has Vakyajanya Jnanatvam. Hetu is there, so Purvapakshi Sadhya will be there It is also savikalpaka jnana. उक्त वाक्यजन्यम ज्ञानम न निर्विकल्पकम संसर्ग अवगाहित्वात् तद्वत् संसर्ग अवगाहित्वात् तद्वत् इति वा इति आशयेन. तद्वत् means संसर्ग अवगाहि ज्ञानवत्. संसर्ग अवगाहि ज्ञानम is not nirvikalpakam. This jnanam is also not nirvikalpakam because it is also samsarga avagahi. Iti ashayana shankate nanu. ननु वाक्यजन्य ज्ञानस्य पदार्थ संसर्ग अवगाहितया कथम निर्विकल्पकत्वम्. वाक्यजन्य ज्ञानस्य पदार्थ संसर्ग अवगाहितया. वाक्यजन्य ज्ञानम, if it is पदार्थ संसर्ग अवगाही, it is savikalpaka, then how you say it is nirvikalpakam? कथम तस्य निर्विकल्पकत्वम् उच्यते. टीका. भवेदेवं यदि वाक्यजन्य ज्ञान विषयत्वे पदार्थ संसर्गत्वं तंत्रम भवेत् न तु तथा. सिद्धांति says, yes, if in वाक्यजन्य ज्ञान विषय पदार्थ संसर्ग is tantram, tantram means karanam, pradhanam, then it will become savikalpakam. But that is not the case. Natu tatha. वाक्यजन्य ज्ञान विषयत्वे पदार्थ संसर्गत्वं न तंत्र अत्र. Because if it is there, तथात्वे ही भोजन प्रकरणे सैंधवम आनय इति अत्र अनभिमतस्य अश्वादि संसर्गस्यापि तत्वापत्तेः इति आशयेन आह. In वाक्यजन्य ज्ञानम, if padartha sansarga is required, then it will become sansarga avagahi jnana. But that is not the case. Tathatve hi bhojana prakarane, Siddhanti gives drishtanta. So bhojana prakarane means while you are eating, you say saindhav chalao. Saindhav chalao means like how they say, no, in the Pangat, namak chalao, namak mirchi chalao. Like that, saindhava chalao. Saindhavam anaya. Anaya means bring. Saindhava has two meanings. One meaning is salt. Another meaning is horse. Because both of them are what?
From Sindhu.
In Sanskrit, how will you say? Sindho jayamanatvat. Panchami. From Sindhu, they both of their jayaman means their utpatti. Their utpatti is from Sindhu. Salt also is from Sindhu, and Ujjaishrava was also from Sindhu. So they are called Saindhava. So in Bhojana Prakarana, if somebody says Saindhava Manaya, iti atra anabhimatasya ashwadi sansargasyapi tattvapatte. Ashwa which is anabhimata, that time the intention is not of Ashwa, but its sansarga, you will say, is there. Sansargasyapi tattvapatte. 1 number tippani, vakyajanya jnana vishayatvapatte. It will also become vakyajanya jnana vishaya. It is not. Iti ashayanaha uchyate. I will explain this. First, let us just read the moolam. वाक्यजन्य ज्ञान विषयत्वे ही न पदार्थ संसर्गत्वं तंत्रम अनभिमत संसर्गस्यापि वाक्यजन्य ज्ञान विषयत्व आपत्तेः किंतु तात्पर्य विषयत्वम् when it is vakyajanya jnana vishaya, in that sansarga is not the vishaya all the time. In vakyajanya jnanam, tatparya is mukhya. वाक्यजन्य ज्ञान विषयत्वे पदार्थ संसर्गत्वं न तंत्रम किंतु तात्पर्य विषयत्वं तंत्रम. In between the two commas, whatever portion is there, that you can skip for now. Vakyajanya jnana vishayatva, in that tatparya vishaya is tantram. Tantram means that is what is the niyamaka. In Hindi also they have given the same word, niyamaka. Means the deciding factor. So while you are eating, and at that time, if you say Saindhava Manaya, the intention is of salt, not of the horse. But if you just consider Padartha Sansarga, association between Visheshana Visheshya Avagahi Jnana, then Ashwadi also will come, even though there is no Tatparya in them. Anabhimata Sansargasyapi Vakyajanya Jnana Vishayatva Apattehe. What is not abhimata, what is not intended, that sansarga, that also will become Vakyajanya Jnana Vishaya. So in Vakyajanya Jnana Vishaya, in Gam Anaya, sansarga is there. But in Tattvamasi, Soyam Devadatta, etc., Vakyajanya Jnana Vishaya is not there in sansarga, but it is in Tatparya. टीका ननु पदार्थ संसर्गत्वस्य तत्र तंत्रत्वाभावे किं तत्र तंत्रम इति पृच्छति. If padartha sansargatva is not tantra, tatra tantratva abhave, then kin tatra tantram, then what is the tantra there? What is the niyamaka? Iti pruchati kintu tatparya vishayatvam. Yas tatparya vishayah sa eva vakyajanya jnana gocharaha. Tatparya vishaya is important. Such a sansargah asansargo va iti vishesho na adartavya. Then whether it is a sansarga or asansarga is not vishesha. That na adartavya means it should not be respected. Tatparya is important. We will explain a little bit more later. See the moolam now. Prakritecha. Now in case of Tattvamasi, how it is. So this is familiar for all of you. Sadeva Somya idamagra asit iti upakramya tat satyam sa atma Tattvamasi shvetaketo iti upasamhare. Vishuddhe brahmani vedantanam tatparyam avasitam iti katham tatparya avishaya sansargam avabodhayet. In case of Tattvamasi, prakritecha. Prakritecha means just like it is there in Soyam Devadatta, so here also. Upakrama is Sadeva Somya idamagra asit. We saw this Upakrama Upasamhara in Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Sara Sangraha. And Upasamhara Tat Satyam Sa Atma Tattvamasi Shvetaketo iti Upasamhare. विशुद्धे ब्रह्मणि वेदांतानां तात्पर्यम अवसितम. इन विशुद्ध ब्रह्म वेदांतानां तात्पर्यम अवसितम. वेदांत तात्पर्य is in विशुद्ध ब्रह्म. And that Vishuddha's Brahma is Asanga. How can there be Sansarga in that? Iti katham tatparya avishaya sansargam avabodhayet. How it will have that vastu jnanam or that vastu revealed, which is tatparya avishaya. That sansarga which is not tatparya vishaya is tatparya avishaya. Katham tatparya avishaya sansargam avabodhayet. Means it will not. टीका प्रकृते तु पिंड मात्रे. I will just read this. Okay, we'll see in the next session. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashyakrtau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murtiveda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.